About this item: 65W USB-C Type-C charger, input, 100-240V 1.6A 50 to 60 Hz output, 5V3A or 9V3A or 15V3A or 20V3.25A watts, 65W Type-C compatible with 45W. This charger also compatible with Dell Type-C, HP Chromebook charger Type-C, Acer USB, Samsung Type-C, Asus USB-C. Compatible with Lenovo Chromebook 100E, 300E, 500E, C330, S330, N23, Lenovo Yoga A485, T490, ST590, C930, C940, C740, S730, 720, 730, 730, 13 IKB 730s, 910, 920, 720-12 IKB 720, S13 IKB 730, 13 IKB 910-13 IKB 920-13 IKB C930, 13 IKB S730, 13 IWL Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon T480, T480 ST5